Okay, now we're going to take all of our properties and all of our laws, and we're going to start applying them to an equation. If each term of an equation has a log expression, condense each side to one log expression and use the following property to solve. Okay, so look here. If you have log base b of m is equal to log base b of n, then you're going to take those out and you're simply going to drop down and you get m equals n. All right, so we're going to apply that to these equations. So first of all, let's look at this first one. Notice here, you have log base 2 of x equals, we're going to take this 2, we're going to move it right here. So you get log base 2 of 3 squared plus log base 2 of 5. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and 3 squared is 9. So I end up getting log base 2 of x equals log base 2 of 9 plus log base 2 of 5. Now notice, because I have a plus sign there, we're going to multiply these two. So it's going to be 9 times 5. So you get log base 2 of x equals log base 2 of 45. Now, because of our rule, remember, our rule says when you have log base 2 equal to log base 2, or two logs equal to each other, then you simply take what they have in front, and there's your answer, x equals 45. Okay, now this won't always be the simple. For instance, look at the next problem. This one looks really elaborate. However, if you just go through it, notice when you see a subtraction, that means for this side, we're going to divide. So log base 2 of 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 5 equals. All right, so what do we do with this 1/2? Well, it goes to the power of 36. So you go log base 2 of 36 to the 1/2 power. Minus that 2 comes as the power of 2. So log base 2 of 2 squared. Now, like we did earlier, we want to clean some of this up. So I want to clean this one up. I want to clean this one up. All right, so I'm going to leave what's over here on the left because I don't need it just yet, but I'm going to rewrite it because I want to do a line each time. Now, 36 to the 1/2 power is basically the square root of 36, which is 6. So you get log base 2 of 6 minus log base 2 of 2 squared is 4. Now, because you have a minus here, this becomes a subtraction, okay? So again, I'm going to leave this side over here, log base 2 of 2x minus 1 over x plus 5 equals, this becomes log base 2 of 6 divided by 4. Now, remember, 6 divided by 4 reduces down to 3 over 2. So now look what I have. I have a log base 2 equal to each other. So I simply am going to take this and this and put it equal to each other. And what I end up getting is 2x minus 1 over x plus 5 equals 3 over 2. Now, I'm not done with this because this is an equation. I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I end up getting 3 times x plus 5 equals 2 times 2x, let me go ahead and erase that. Doesn't look very good. 2x minus 1. Okay? So now I can just distribute. I get 3x plus 15 equals, oops, messed up again, 4x minus 2. Now I'm just going to subtract the 3x because I want to go to the larger side. And at the same time, so that gives me 15 equals x minus 2. Now I'm going to add the 2 to both sides. and your x turns out to be 17. All right. Now, once you do that, you can go back and check for extraneous solutions. But for the most part, that is it. So let's go ahead and condense this a little bit. All right, we're going to condense this a little bit more. Okay. All right, so basically what you end up getting is you work through this problem, and the whole answer turns out to be 17.